Want to get fit fast, but don't have a gym membership? No problem. In this video, we'll guide you through a beginner-friendly workout routine that requires zero equipment, just your body and a little motivation. These simple exercises will help you build strength, boost your fitness, and start seeing results in no time. Stick around for a pro tip at the end that'll speed up your progress. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy, effective workouts. Ready to get fit? Let's dive in. The 4-week plan. This isn't just a one-time workout. I'm giving you a complete 4-week plan that progressively challenges your body. You'll do this routine 3 times per week with at least one rest day between sessions. Each workout takes just 30 minutes from warm-up to cool-down. Equipment needed. The beauty of this routine is its simplicity. All you need is your body weight, a chair or bench, water bottle. Optional, yoga mat for comfort, warm-up routine. Start by doing 3 to 5 minutes of light cardio to gradually increase your heart rate and warm up your muscles. Begin with marching in place, lifting your knees one at a time, while gently swinging your arms to get your blood flowing. Then perform arm circles to loosen up your shoulders, starting small and gradually increasing the size of the circles. After that, add gentle trunk rotations to stretch your torso and engage your core. This will help improve your range of motion and flexibility. Finish your warm-up with 10 bodyweight squats at a comfortable pace, focusing on proper form. Keep your chest up, knees behind your toes, and engage your glutes as you lower your body. This movement activates your legs and prepares your muscles for more intense activity. The goal is to ease into the workout, allowing your body to get ready for the exercises ahead. By the end of the warm-up, you'll feel more energized, your muscles will be primed, and your heart rate will be elevated, ensuring you're fully prepared to tackle the workout with full intensity. Main workout structure. We'll focus on 6 fundamental exercises that target all major muscle groups. For the first 2 weeks, aim to complete 2 sets of each exercise with the recommended repetitions. This will help build your foundation and improve strength. As you progress and your strength improves, increase to 3 sets during weeks 3 to 4 to further challenge your muscles and continue building endurance. This gradual increase will help you avoid overtraining while steadily improving your overall fitness. Modified push-ups. Begin with hands on a wall or elevated surface like a sturdy table or countertop. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower your chest toward the surface with elbows pointing slightly backward. Push back to starting position. Week 1 to 2. 8 to 10 reps week 3 to 4. 12 to 15 reps. As you get stronger, gradually lower the height of your hands until you can perform push-ups from the floor with proper form. Bodyweight squats. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly turned out. Extend arms forward for balance. Send hips back and down as if sitting in a chair. Keep weight in your heels and knees tracking over toes. Stand back up by pushing through your heels. Week 1 to 2. 12 to 15 reps week 3 to 4. 15 to 20 reps. Focus on depth and control rather than speed. For added challenge in week 4, add a 3-second hold at the bottom position. Elevated reverse lunges. Stand tall, step 1 foot back and lower until both knees form 90-degree angles. Push through your front heel to return to standing. Complete all reps on one side before switching legs. Week 1 to 2. 10 reps each leg week 3 to 4. 12 to 15 reps each leg. Use a chair for balance if needed. By week 4, try adding a knee drive when returning to standing position. Superman back extensions. Lie face down with arms extended overhead. Simultaneously lift your arms, chest, and legs off the floor. Hold briefly at the top, then lower with control. This exercise strengthens your often neglected back muscles and improves posture. Week 1 to 2. 10 reps with 2-second hold week 3 to 4. 12 to 15 reps with 3-second hold. Glute bridges. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Press through your heels to lift your hips toward the ceiling until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower with control. Week 1 to 2. 15 reps week 3 to 4, 20 reps with 2-second hold at top. For an added challenge in week 4, extend one leg at the top position, alternating legs with each rep. Mountain climbers. Start in a high plank position with wrists under shoulders. Alternate driving knees toward chest in a controlled running motion. Keep your core engaged and hips level throughout. Week 1 to 2. 30 seconds at moderate pace, week 3 to 4. 45 seconds at increased pace. Focus on form over speed, especially when beginning. Recovery between exercises. Rest 30 to 60 seconds between exercises during weeks 1 to 2. Reduce to 30 seconds in weeks 3 to 4 as your endurance improves. Between sets, rest 60 to 90 seconds, gradually decreasing to 60 seconds by week 4. Cool down. After completing all exercises, cool down with 5 minutes of gentle stretching. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. Standing quadriceps stretch. Forward fold for hamstrings. Child's pose for back. Chest opener with arms behind back. Gentle neck stretches. Progression indicators. How do you know if you're improving? Watch for these signs. Exercises feel less challenging. You can complete all reps with proper form. Recovery time between sets decreases. You have more energy after workouts. Everyday activities feel easier. Nutritional support. While not a complete nutrition plan, here are quick guidelines to support your new routine. Hydrate before, during, and after workouts. Consume protein within 30 minutes post-workout. Focus on whole foods over processed options. Eat enough calories to support your activity level. Common beginner mistakes. Avoid these pitfalls. Skipping warm-ups. Rushing through exercises with poor form. Not allowing recovery days. Expecting overnight results. Comparing yourself to advanced exercisers. There you have it. A complete 4-week routine to kickstart your fitness journey without a gym membership. Remember, consistency trumps perfection every time. Do this routine 3 times weekly. Focus on proper form, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your body responds. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly fitness content. Drop a comment letting me know your fitness goals or any questions about this routine. Stay committed, be patient with yourself, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll build on the foundation you're creating now. Until then, keep moving.